Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on SLP token. In my previous video, I was telling you that even though we have broken down a bearish pennant, but there is still a very strong support of 1.75 cents. And right now the price line has used that support, and after testing that support, it has rallied well and broke out the same resistance of the pennant, which was broken down. And in today's video, we will take a look at the next move of SLP. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me show you this bearish pennant that was formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart. And we can see that we were testing the resistance more than the support. Therefore, I was telling you that this is another signal that we can break out the resistance rather than the support. However, the price line broke down the support, and that was in fact a fake out to the downside. And this was a very, very strong support at 1.75 cents. Recently, we can see here we have tested this support here on 8th of Feb. And right now, again, we have confirmed this support. And after testing the support, the price line rallied well and broke out this pennant. Now the target of this pennant can be here at the top of this pennant, approximately at 4 cents. And here we have a very, very strong resistance as well. But before that, we have some certain resistance levels on this 4-hourly time frame. Like here we use this resistance as a support previously. Now this level is working as a resistance that is at 2.45 cents. And here we were testing this level as a support, and here as a resistance, and here as a resistance again. Therefore, this resistance is very important on the short term. After breaking out, we can move to the next resistance of 3.2. That is not as that much strong like we have here at 2.45. If we will break out this resistance, then we can again move to the 4 cents. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame, here we have already broken out the resistance of a very, very long-term channel that was started here back in July 2021. And recently we have broken out the resistance here on 9th of Feb. And after breaking out, we were testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and we slightly moved down and tested the support of 1.74 cents as well. And if I switch to the 4-hourly time frame from here, we can see that before this breakout, this 1.75 cents was our recent swing low. Therefore, I was telling you that if you are trading this channel, then you should use this level as your stop loss as well. Now, if we switch to the hourly time frame on this chart, where we have broken out this resistance of the pennant, then we can see that there is some correction started on this hourly time frame chart. It is possible that we may retest the previous resistance of this pennant as a support, and then we will start the next move towards the upside. So next few hours are really very important. Now we can expect another move to the upside to break out the next resistance of 2.45 cents. That is really very important resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.